My lucky bamboo plant is 1 year old and it's growing well. But now I want it to be green and bushy, full of lush green leaves, firm stalks and healthy. What can I do to make this happen? Before I share the 6 proven tips with you, let me quickly highlight a common mistake that many new growers make. If your plant is healthy and growing well, the tips I'm sharing will help make it fuller and bushier. However, if your plant is struggling with yellowing leaves, weak stalks, or slow growth, these tips may not be effective right now. Instead, check out our other videos and playlists linked at the end of this video and in the description. They're filled with advice to nurse your plant back to health first. Alright, let's uncover how to make your lucky bamboo bushy green and healthy with 6 easy tips. Trim stalks to thrive. Have you realized that your plants are healthy but leggy and lack the vibrant green you are longing for? Pruning is the secret to encouraging fuller growth. It might feel strange at first, but trimming your bamboo actually helps it grow fresh, new shoots. Here's how you do it. Use sharp, clean scissors and cut just above a node. That's the spot where the leaves meet the stalk. This method tells the plant it's time to branch out, but don't overdo it. Too much pruning can stress your bamboo. A gentle trim every so often is all it needs to start looking lush and bushy. Create a mini LB jungle. Here is a sure way to encourage your lucky bamboo to have that full, dense look. Group several stalks together in one pot. Lucky bamboo thrives in groups. It shares humidity and creates a stunning mini jungle vibe. Choose a wide pot to give the roots plenty of space to grow. For an added creative touch, arrange the stalks in decorative patterns like spirals or layers. Not only does this make your bamboo look fuller, but it also adds a unique aesthetic that you'll love. Feed the need at the right time. Like us, plants need good nutrition to thrive. That's why fertilizing is so important. Use a gentle liquid fertilizer every 6-8 weeks to supply your bamboo with the nutrients it needs. Dilute the fertilizer to 1/4 the normal strength. Less is more when it comes to bamboo. If you're growing your bamboo in water, a few drops of aquarium plant fertilizer will work wonders. Stay consistent with feeding, and you'll see your bamboo flourish with vibrant green leaves and healthy stalks. Humidity hack. Bamboo absolutely loves humidity. It's their natural paradise. Keep your plant happy by misting its leaves a few times a week. Use distilled or rainwater to get the best results. Want to go the extra mile? Place a small tray of water near the pot, or use a humidifier in the room to keep the air moist. Humidity prevents leaf tips from drying out and keeps your bamboo looking fresh, green, and full of life. Rotate pot for even growth and lush leaves. Light is a crucial factor for symmetry and balanced growth. Rotate your bamboo pot every week or two to ensure all sides get equal light exposure. This stops the stalks from leaning toward the light source and encourages even growth all around. Place your bamboo in a bright spot with indirect sunlight is the perfect environment. Be careful though, direct sunlight can burn the leaves. With regular rotations, your plant will look balanced and thriving from every angle. Add pebbles for stability. If your bamboo grows in water, here's a simple trick. Add a layer of smooth pebbles to the container. Pebbles stabilize the stalks and allow the roots to spread and aerate. Choose decorative stones for an elegant touch. They make the setup stylish and clean. Just remember to rinse the pebbles occasionally. This prevents algae buildup and keeps your bamboo's environment fresh and healthy. Talking about bamboo stalks. If you are creating a mini jungle, top tip 2, here's something cool. Did you know that the number of stalks in your lucky bamboo actually has meaning? Yes, that's right. For more information, check out the video and playlist linked here. You'll also find tips on how to revive struggling bamboo plants. Subscribe to Garden Bamboo Plants for more insights on growing healthy bamboo plants.